Tom, I feel terrible today.
What's wrong, Anna?
I have a headache and a cold.
Oh no, how long?
Since yesterday morning.
We should go to the doctor.
Is the clinic far from here?
No, it's very close.
Do I need an appointment?
No, we can just walk in.
Okay, I feel dizzy too.
Let's go now.
This place looks clean and calm.
Yes, it's a good clinic.
What do I say to the doctor?
Just describe your symptoms.
What does symptoms mean?
Symptoms, the signs of being sick.
So my symptoms are headache and cold?
Yes, and dizziness too.
How do I say dizziness?
Say, I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy, like that.
Perfect. The doctor will understand.
There are many people here.
Yes, the doctor's busy today.
I also have a sore throat.
Sore throat. Does it hurt to swallow?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow.
Tell the doctor that too.
Anna, it's your turn now.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Just speak slowly and clearly.
What if I forget a word?
Point to where it hurts.
That's a good idea.
Doctor, I have a headache. I also have a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow. And I feel dizzy sometimes.
She also has a mild fever.
Yes, since yesterday morning. The doctor checks my throat now.
Say ah for the doctor.
Ah!
Good. Now breathe deeply.
Like this?
Yes, you're doing well.
What does the doctor say, Tom?
She says it's a common cold.
Just a cold? Not serious?
No, but you need medicine.
What kind of medicine?
She'll write a prescription.
What is a prescription?
A prescription is a medicine note.
The doctor writes it for me?
Yes, you take it to the pharmacy.
And what is a pharmacy?
A pharmacy is a medicine shop.
Thank you, doctor. How serious is my cold? The doctor says rest and drink water.
And take the medicine on time.
I understand. Thank you again.
Let's go to the pharmacy now.
Tom, what's in the prescription?
Some medicine for your throat. And medicine for your headache.
How often should I take them?
The doctor said 3 times a day.
How often? 3 times a day?
Hello, we have a prescription here.
The doctor gave it to us.
Anna, do you have any allergies?
What is an allergy?
An allergy, a bad reaction to medicine.
I think I have no allergies.
Good. Always tell the doctor anyway.
What if I have an allergy?
The doctor gives different medicine.
I understand. Allergies are important.
Yes, always mention your allergies.
There are 3 types of medicine.
This one is for your headache.
How often should I take this?
Take it twice a day after meals.
And this small white one?
That's for your sore throat.
The label is hard to read.
Let me help. 3 times a day.
How often? 3 times?
Morning, afternoon, and night.
I must not forget.
Set an alarm on your phone.
Tom, I feel a little better now.
Good. But you need rest too.
How long should I rest?
At least 2 or 3 days.
That's a long time.
Your health is more important.
Okay, time for my first medicine.
Good. Take it with a full glass.
How often should I take this again?
3 times a day. Don't skip.
I won't skip, I promise.
Good girl. Now rest.
Tom, I slept for 12 hours.
That's great. How do you feel?
My headache is almost gone.
And your sore throat?
It still hurts a little when I swallow.
Keep taking the medicine. You'll be fine.
Tom, thank you for today.
Of course. How do you feel now?
I feel much better, and I learned a lot.
What did you learn?
Symptoms, prescription, allergy. How often?
Taking care of yourself is the first step to a happy life.